I'll be back when this is cooked. I'm bored. I start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having burger wraps and french fries. Let's see if I can beat the clock. I already know I can beat it if I stay on track, but the reality is I never stay on track when I'm chatting with my friends. And my friends in real life will attest to that, and my internet besties are totally getting a taste of that all the time. We're gonna start out by chopping all of our vegetables. I controversially have my ground beef in the microwave defrosting. Don't worry, I'm gonna cook it right away, it'll be fine. I have my air fryer heating up, ready for my french fries. So I've got plenty of time here to just chop up my veg. And because I like to make things just a little bit extra difficult for myself, we all can relate, I decided that we're gonna make some burger sauce Thousand Island dressing. I'm gonna go for like a little bit of both. I've got a partial container of some deals. Let's start with those. See how many to come up with out of this. I'm gonna cut up enough for the burger sauce and just for some extra pickles. We've not had burger wraps in a long time. This is more of a summer meal for us. And it was feeling a little bit like summer here, and then wham bam, it snowed this morning. It's sunny again, but it is so cold outside. It's unfair. Unfair. Be gone, butts. I've noticed that when I'm talking on camera, I like to wave the knife. Don't worry, I'm not waving it at you. I'm not mad at you. I don't need to show you how to chop pickles. I'll bring you back once I'm done. It's the cutest thing in the entire world. Oh, and there's Derek calling. I'll be back. I finished chopping while I was on the phone because I wanted to talk to my husband more than I wanted to get back on video and say something that is me sticking my foot in my mouth. So my pickles are chopped. I'm just gonna give them one more little rough chop just to get them a little bit smaller. You could definitely use just like dill relish or sweet relish in this. I looked at a recipe before I turned my phone on to record, so I'm gonna try to remember. Somewhere between a half cup and a cup of mayonnaise, which this is gonna make way more than what I need for 3 people, so I'm just gonna go until it looks good. A couple of tablespoons of ketchup. As many pickles as your heart desires. Bench scraper. Pickles. Oh, and the floor gets to eat some too. That's gonna be fun to clean up later. I'm gonna save that much for our wraps. For extra pickle. I know that traditional Thousand Island does not call for mustard, but I think it needs it. So we're gonna put a little mustard in here. A little mustard. I'm almost out of my boat cheese mustard, or else I would use that. I'm saving it too. Should have cut the onion first. That much? Perfect. Chippy chop. I'm gonna have to clean up pickles, so they're gonna be all over and smooshed. I do wear slippers, especially in the kitchen. I wear orthotic slippers. That was a welcome to my mid-30s when I realized that I don't only need house slippers, I want the ones that have arch support in them. If you can relate, let me know. We're gonna not use a lot of onion. So maybe, it was like an 1/8 of an onion, finely diced, but not consistently diced if we're being honest. It was just diced. That looks good. More mayo. There's a lot of stuff in there. This would have been really good, like processed in the food processor, so that stuff gets really fine. More dishes. When you hand wash dishes, you eat chunky Thousand Island. I'm gonna use some garlic salt. It called for sweet paprika. I don't have any, so a little bit of smoked. Taste. Baby spoon. Other end. More ketchup. There you go. That's the color. So I said, it's like Thousand Island, but it's not. There we go. Sauce is done. I gotta get fries in the air fryer, so we're gonna do that. These are seasoned fries from Sam's Club. We love them. They cook in like 12 minutes in the air fryer at 400. We have some thin sliced Colby Jack, some Munster, and provolone that all need used up because they've been open for a couple of days. So we're using this instead. I'm just super lucky. I have a little bit of lettuce left over. This will probably get me through one wrap for my husband and I. That's already ready to go. And I have some jalapenos set out too. I'm really pumped. I think jalapeno on this is gonna be great. There are legitimately pickles all over the floor. I have 2 pounds of hamburger meat. I'm making extra because I want some extra for some lunches the next few days. It's still fairly frozen. We're just gonna work away at this for a minute. We're just looking to give it some more surface area, help with the cooking process. And I know there are 4 million different ways to thaw out hamburger meat. I don't care. Thank you for sharing them. I'm glad that they work for you. I'm gonna keep doing microwave for 8 minutes in our microwave on defrost and then directly into the pan. What works for me. I would highly advise that you defrost your meat however you find it to be safe. Chippy chop, chippy chop. Now this is to a point that I can kind of work with it. I am gonna add some Kinder's The Blend. Still don't know what I'm doing, like showing you guys stuff like that. Quite a bit. Some steak, buttery steakhouse to be really good in this. I don't have any. stir that seasoning in. That smells like it's on fire. Really don't know. Oh well. Drain our beef. It's 2026. We're not draining our ground beef fat down the drain. You're gonna need an extra plumber. Be sure to drain it and dispose of it some other way than down your drain, please. Set this to the side. I'm gonna let it drain. This is 2 pounds of homegrown beef, so it's like an 85-15. We've got a lot of fat to drain off of there. While that's draining, we're gonna get our cast iron heated up, and I'm gonna get a few of my burger wraps ready to roll. I feel like I need to like take you with me back and forth. This would be the right way to do it. Wrap. These are nice and pliable, so they're ready to go. I'm gonna do my daughter's first. She's gonna get a bit of the burger sauce, less heavy on the chunky, more heavy on the sauce. So sauce and stir. I'm obsessed with Munster cheese. Cheeseburger Creamery Munster cheese. I could eat a whole block in a couple of days time. Scoop some meat on here, right onto the cheese so it gets nice and warm. Perfect. And then I'm gonna give her pickles on the side and no lettuce in here. It's just meat and cheese. Just a plain old cheeseburger wrap right here. Whirl it up, make it look pretty or semi-pretty. Probably won't look very pretty because I'm doing this. There we go. Roll it up. She's going in the cast iron just like this. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Next, for Derek, so we're gonna go, I think I want the sauce in the middle. I don't know why I did the sauce on the outside. That was a little bit weird. We're gonna do Munster again because I'm about out of Munster and I want to just use this stuff up. Now a big scoop of meat, like that. I already tell this is gonna be way too full. Some extra pickles, some extra onion. Ah, they're home. I still have a few minutes before they walk in the door. I can do it. Sauce, lettuce, just like that. Wrap it. These physics don't make sense, but it's gonna work. Wrap it and heat it. And then we've got our last one for me. Cheese, meat, big pile, extra pickle, extra onion, jalapeno, because I'm crazy, dumb. Jalapeno because I don't like my taste buds anymore. Sauce, lettuce, wrap. I have 60 seconds right now. Come on, little guy. Why did we buy the little burrito? To the pan. French fries for her. French fries for my husband. I will get my French fries in a minute. I'm actually not that hungry. I know somebody's gonna say something about how I should eat first. Yeah, I should, but I'm not super hungry, so I'm gonna let them eat first. Like, want to yell out the window and say, don't come in yet. Just wait. They're coming in. Burger wrap number 1. Here we go. There's the cheeseburger burger wrap. It's perfect. That's good.
That's very good.
Shit. Oops. That's so good. I beat the clock. We'll see you guys.